You want it? You want it? It's your favorite treat. You want one? Is that pretty good? We're sitting here staring at bobbers again. Out here ice fishing in trip number 5. Yeah, trip number 5. The ice was finally deep enough in this area, thick enough, I do that every time, that we're able to fish over here. Last week there was no way you'd catch me walking over here, it was so thin. Well, so far he hasn't fallen in a hole. Last trip, he fell in 3 holes. Just being a goober, boink, fell right in the hole. But this is usually a good spot for us to ice fish. That's the only thing left on the winter bucket list, is to catch something. Because we've been ice fishing, we haven't fallen on the ice or anything horrible on the ice. And we've been to the town on the other side, so the only thing that's left is to actually catch a fish. You'll have to stay tuned to the Friday video for that. Wrong. You'll have to stay tuned to the Wednesday video to see if we caught anything. Wednesday's always fishing. Good, bad, or horrible, it's always fishing. And our ice fishing entertainment has to eat every single piece of ice. You gonna fall in a hole today? Oh, we got movement! Oh, how'd that go? Look! Oh, it moved. It moved! Oh, it's moving! Oh! I might actually have one! I'm so excited! Right on camera! Oh, don't tell me you're teasing me. That's just not fair. Oh, I might actually have one! Move! Ugh! Thanks for the wet nose, dude. It's moving! I'm so excited! Might actually catch a fish. I had a good feeling about this spot. We usually do good here. Uh-oh. Might be teasing me. Did I get one? Did I not get one? Oh! What do you think? Something there? Wait and see. You can get one! You can get one! Oh, I do! I do! Oh, I got the first ice fish! Grizzly quick! Grizzly quick! Yay! Sorry. Yay! First fishing out ice fishing in such a Spazz! Leave it! Yay! See, I told you the magic work every time! Grizzly, no! Not fishing! Yay! I got one! Woo! So excited! That's our winter bucket list. We actually caught one on the ice. Grizzly quick! Woo! Yay! We got one! So excited! Leave it! Come on, fishy, fishy! Come on, fishy, fishy! This way, fishy! Through the hole! Through the hole, fishy! Yay! Leave it! Yay! We were hoping for one, but ended up with 2. Leave it! Leave it! You heard me. I said leave it. Yay! I got one too! We're not scouts this week. It's been a long time since we've actually caught a fish. First time on the ice and we both got one. Well, it's not our first time on the ice. I think this is like our 4th time on the ice. But this is our first time catching on the ice this year. And they're not dinkers either. They're good-sized ones. But yay! We're both caught today! Woohoo! Magic words always work. I have my second of the night. Oh, if I can get a hold of it. Let's see. Let's see. Here, fishing. It's a TFA day. Good fishing day. Oh, a nice one. A good looking rainbow. Oh, stop wiggling. Leave it. Oh, so tangled in the line. A really nice looking rainbow. All tangled. Oh, what a frickin' cluster-cluck of line. Oh, yay! Magic words always work in a good TFA day. Woo! It's hard to keep a hold of it, get the camera rolling. Come on, fishing. Here, fishing. You're good size fishing. Oh, another rainbow. Not quite as big as the others, but still a nice rainbow. Yay! Good fishing day. I wonder if Grizzly would leave it alone. Yay! Lady of the lake keeps yelling at us though, and popping under us. It's a little creepy out here. Oh yay! TFA! Definitely picked the right hole today. Making up for times we were skunked. Oh! A good sized rainbow. Ouch! Perfect. Yay! Fishy slap!